So welcome guys, thanks for being here. another another day with some news. Some news in the morning. Some news in the morning, and for that reason we start later. Around 3 high impact news. Sí, voy. So well, let's see what we have here. Mano, cierra el chat. Si cierra el chat, básicamente solo los miembros pueden hablar y usted no es miembro. Fire up, right? Entonces no tendría sentido. We will trade them is a lot. Top dog is here. Trade on. No, the trade is not on. Okay. So well, my main idea is open the long position near to the 43 4435. Then we got the high volatility. So we need to take care. We need to take care of that. Let's see what happened. But we need to see a good retracement for open that trade. Okay. Let me check that news. Was for the news. This is the correction, and the other is for. Okay. Mhm. Well, the sell position into possibility too, near to the 4456. 56 is here. Mhm. Yesterday, unfortunately, we touched the on a stop into this to the Tokyo session. Tokyo session sometimes give us a very good results. Sometimes it's the same. It's high volatility. Let's see. Because well, here still into the possibility to give us a reaction. So soon. So well, let's see. Your patience. I'm thinking. Some people is talking about the goal wants to to fill the gap for Monday. What's Monday? Yes, Monday. But I don't think we go that hard that back. You know. So again, it's for patience and well. For example, yesterday I think I opened the trade here. This candle. I got my son here into this point. Then it gave me this confirmation. That's what was that confirmation? It looks like a morning star. It looks really nice. Looks really nice. And with the retracement around 44666. But unfortunately, what happened? It gave us that reaction so massive for sellers. Some people was angry about that. I was like, that's that's not the that happens. That happens. The high volatility happens in every session. Sorry for the ones who was angry, but nothing to do. When I open the trade again, it's really easy to to be mad when you already got the information. But when I opened the trade, I just saw this information, and it's something that the people don't understand. Like when I take a decision, I don't have the full information. Probably in the I can see the future. It's pretty easy to understand that. But well, some people it's like this. Some people don't like it. Some people it's crime. Well, that that happens. It's trading. Loses is part of the game. If we lose too much, just if you are feeling we are losing too much, don't take any trades, and that's all. And well, that's for everyone here, for the members in YouTube, for the members into the Telegram, for the members into the Discord. Um, I take the decision according my experience. And well, sometimes my experience is not enough. I'm trying my best. Yesterday, I lose around $500 and real $500. Do you think I feel happy to just lose $500? No, no, no. But that was my decision, and I can live with that, and that's all. It was around $630, to be honest. Um, well, because why I open a double position, then it goes back so hard. And the thing happens instantly when I open the trade. I wait the retracement, then just go, and that's all. That's all. I just want to clarify that for some people yesterday. So many people crying for that. And well, it's okay crying, but well, if you don't like the session, as I explained, um, in Discord, I sound a little rude, but that's enough. And I'm going to stay like, oh, sorry for the position or something like this. No, that's the that's the deal. That's the deal. If you want to be a trader, you need to be an expert to deal with your emotions. If you feel bad, it's okay. If you feel happy, it's okay. If you feel angry, it's okay. If you feel nothing, it's okay. If you don't care, it's okay. So just I want to start this session like this. Explaining, explaining what is what is the reality what we have. Okay. Now waiting the retracement. Let's see what happened at this moment. We got this um, uptrend. Looks beautiful, but well. What do you mean? You didn't see the information? Uh, for example, if I open the trade here now, if I open the trade here and then the trade just go there, according my strategy or wherever, if I open the trade here and go straight to the stop loss, well, that's okay. But I don't see the next candles. I don't see the next candles for the next minutes. But if it complete, for example, here it complete this, well, I'm going to take the entry because it's completing my my information. For that reason, I provide you the here, for example, if I know I'm going to open the trade here, and then the next candle is going to be a massive red candle, of course I'm not going to open the trade. It's very simple. But I don't know. I just seeing the possibilities here with a good sun, with a good confirmation, and I take the decision. I take the decision. If I know the next candle is a massive candle for red candle, of course I'm not going to open it. But that's all. It was a high volatility market at this point, and for that reason I opened that trade. Many people was angry. Well, sorry for that. Sorry for that. If you want to leave the server, if you want to be a member anymore, just get out of the channel. Get out of the channel. As simple as that. I'm trying to do my best in every trade, but sometimes gold is really, really crude with everyone. It's important to understand that. It's important to understand that. But of course, the market don't care about us. That's another simple point. Don't care about us, and it's something what we need to understand. Okay. Okay, perfect. So at this point, the trade is out of the suns at this point. So not too much to do. Not too much to do. So, Jesus. Everyone say hello to Deep Trader. Uh, so, well, now it's time to wait. Let's see what happened in the next minutes. Well, waiting the confirmation in both sides. Don't. Just don't spam into the chat, guys. Okay. So, well, I'm going to eat my breakfast and back. So well, now testing the sell zone. Let's see what happened. Now we are into the sell zone. So let's see what happened there. Let's see what we have into the sell zone. Nothing caused this spike. Just it's normal conditions nowadays. Is that's normal. That's all. That's all. Normal conditions, market. That things happens. Remember, we got the high volatility news to the market. Well, the price is still there. Let's see. I didn't take the long position because I don't like this. The one candle in 1 hour ends as looks like a doji last candle, so that was the reason. That's nothing else. Probably I would take the position here. It was a really beautiful trade, and probably we will got this beautiful reaction and everything. But well, we didn't take the position. I'm still waiting around 4,440 for open any position in London. And here we are into the south zone. Still waiting. Still waiting. That is the reason I marked the sons. If we want to use my sons, there is the options. But if you want to just open the trade, that's another option. Some people just check the my sons, and then they took a decision. A decision. Now it's time to wait. Let's see if this candle in 1 hour, can bring us another position for a long, or it will confirm the sell position. It depends. It depends of the. It depends of the market. Why so many stop? Because the stop loss is there for one reason. Stop loss is our best friend. Yesterday, if I use the stop loss, probably it will wash my account. Probably not here today, but well, the things happens. Tokyo, I will no more Tokyo sessions for this week because Tokyo is not respecting my zones and everything. So for that reason, when I touch too much stop in a row in one session, it's better just stop one day and then you will continue. So probably today in Tokyo session, I'm going to play soccer, then some beers with my friend, pizza, great time. Probably tomorrow I will back with the Tokyo session. Mm, but that's the that's the that's the that's the reality, you know. Yes, for example, I remember one week we have a really bad New York session, but all the trades in Tokyo give us profit, full take profits, TPs. That thing happens. That thing happens. Again, if you don't like it, just don't trade. That's all. If you don't like the stop loss, don't trade. And if you don't like the stop loss, my channel, this is not your channel. Um, if you don't like the stop loss, don't go into the Telegram. If you don't like the stop loss, don't go into the Discord. If you are going to understand, we will lose money. More than welcome in the other channels. Yes, here it's simple. It's pretty simple. Like um, understand if I take the position is because I believe in that position. I'm not going to lose money just because I want to lose money. You know. Okay, beautiful. Now the option is if this price continue like this, give us a confirmation. What type of confirmation? For example, something like this. Something like this. A shooting star. You know. Let's see what happened. As you can see, however, we got another cells on here. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened there. If we're going to break the sun or not, it depends for the next 20 minutes. Okay. At this moment, I'm not taking any position. I'm not taking any position. Yes, guys, the ones who started with the spam, remember we block that guys. Okay, so try to control yourself, try to control your emotions, and that's the way, when you recognize someone when is having issues. My friend, I know you're from India, but that's the second time. Next time I will block you. This is for Tarum Dugal. No more spam. Okay, so well, remember, if you want to work with a prop firm, go into the promfirmmatch.com. There you will see what is the most trustable prop firms into the market. Of course, just check the information before apply any challenge there. Okay? So the link is into the description, the link is into the chat. So just click there, and if you feel like you can apply for one of that companies, just check the information of that. Nowadays they're having really good promotions for the new year. So click into the link if you are interested. uh, that's all. For that reason, the other option is just staying to the Discord. Uh, so inclusive into the Discord, we have some spam. Some people get crazy with some virus. 2 or 3 times it happens, like into the server. Like some people receive many or do some things for that. Well, they did a spam with no issues. It's going up. So probably it will retest the 4480, breaking the sell zone with no issues. For that reason, I didn't. Uh, Martin, sí, Funding Pips estuvo en la lista de Proper Match, pero hubieron muchas quejas sobre Funding Pips y de ya no está. Entonces, cuando eso pasa, de PropFirm obviamente cuida su nombre y lo que hace es sacar la empresa de la, de la website. Si mejoran, puede que vuelven a iniciar y si no, pues la dejan por fuera. Así de sencillo. That's pretty simple. That's what I'm talking about in Spanish. Like uh, most of the companies there into the well, I've said 99% of the companies there have at least 2 years into the markets, into the proper match. So feel free to test any of that companies. But if the company is not listed there in that website, try to take care because probably that company is not that trustable. Because the vision of the proper match is just work with the strong companies and provide them the better options with what they have. Okay, so that's the deal. That's the deal. Take care. Nowadays, you have many options for the prop firms, but I recommend the ones who are listed there. That's good. That's okay. Of course, read the rules. Read the what is the where is the that prop firm located and everything. So try to understand like many aspects what you can apply for that. Okay, so be clear of that, guys. And well, that's nice. The link, remember, is into the description, and the link is into the chat. Okay, so feel free to click there and see and check all the information there. So well, now it breaks the sun. The only possibility what we have here is just if the um, if the if this red candles comes back to 4460, for example. If not, we will test the 4480. Okay, and this sun probably will change to the long position. No, no. United States have enough petrol. Um, this is gold. If it's going to affect the situation in Venezuela, affect a little the oil, it increase a little the price, but not that much. More oil means the prices will go back, you know, retraced. Um, Less oil, price will be increased because less product, and everyone wants product. Do you make your own personal trades apart from us? Yes, for sure. I make my personal trades every day, every day. What do you now? Any advice? It's just waiting. Entrar en lo que estás esperando. Sí, estoy esperando nada más que termine esos 10 minutos de esta candela para que quiebre la zona. Y con el quiebre de la zona cambiaríamos el plan al punto de venta. ¿Ok? Al punto de compra. Hay que esperar estos 10 minutos para cambiar el plan. Si no, seguimos esperando. Pura paciencia. Bueno, recuerden que hablo español, ¿verdad? Pueden preguntar en español sin problema. Que bueno, esa es la meta igual de este año, que el chat se vaya transformando un poco para los que hablan español. Porque de igual me he dado cuenta que los que hablan español, de igual me preguntan en inglés y así. Entonces te dicen, no la idea. La idea es que pregunten más en español porque sí, me gusta, sería más sencillo hablar en español, la verdad. Eh, pero bueno, eso va a depender mucho de ustedes, los que hablan español. Entonces, eh, tienen que estar más activos, nada más. Spanglish. Let's speak Spanglish. Like, I think like, well, my English is like a mix, or because I'm thinking in Spanish and then translate it and talk. So sometimes it's like with no too much sense, the words and everything. But well, I'll try my best. That's the good thing. Yes, I'm a full time trader. I'm a full time trader. Sometimes it's beautiful. Sometimes no. Every time it's beautiful. Be a full time trader. But sometimes it's painful, with the losses. For example, yesterday with Tokyo, was really painful. Was really painful. But that thing happens, and it will happen all the year. Well, I think the sun works perfectly. Al rato no se te escucha. Because listen to me. Here, and the sun works perfectly. If you have issues with the with the sun, just fix your things. Sometimes it just stop talking and stay quiet. As simple as that. Yes, when you're a father, it's different. Your discipline is different. When you need to survive for your family, it's the discipline is different, and sometimes when you lose, it's a little more painful. But well, um, Well, that thing happens. That thing happens. I'm going to take advantage for the last ads for today. Taking advantage what we have many people here. Let me. I need to create another one for this. For this what? For these guys into the Telegram using my name. Remember, my Telegram is not for free. Be clear of that. Okay, be clear of that. It's not for free. The only way who receive the Telegram is by WhatsApp. You need to pay first. So important note is I don't have any investment plans. The only way to contact me is through WhatsApp. If you come across any other channels or accounts claiming to be me in Telegram or by email, please report them immediately as scammers. Those are not me. Not me. So those channels are fake, guys. Are fakes. Please, if you are there and someone is requesting you for money, report them. Okay? The only way to contact me is by WhatsApp. Okay? Uh, three three weeks ago, one guy invest $30,000, $30,000 in this type of channels, and that's not fair. That's not fair. They're using my name, and I don't have that ones. Okay, I don't have that ones. This is totally fake. Invest $100 and earn $3,000. It's the it's impossible. It's impossible. It's impossible. It's impossible. So please understand that information is totally fake. So just understand I don't have that type of plans. Okay. The only way to contact me is it's by WhatsApp. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. If you are in that channels, just report them. Again, don't ask for the free access. Don't ask for the free access. I will block you if you ask for the free access. The premium $4. It's it's a difficult one. It's a difficult one. For needy, send me a message. There is the WhatsApp. There is the WhatsApp. And be patient, of course. I'm working right now. So, but if I don't answer you, just say hi, and that's all. So, well, guys, the price is trying to go back to this the 0.5. It would not give us not too much, I think. I explained 1 minute ago. I explained 1 minute ago. Like I don't have any investment plans. And the first question what I received into the WhatsApp is, do you have any plans which give me returns? Sometimes it's difficult, to be patient with the people. It's really, really difficult. I need the guy who was helping me with the WhatsApp, but he's still on vacations. Okay, it's time to be ready. It's time to be ready. Okay. Okay, pure patience. Okay, the price still trying to stay near to the 0.5. We should wait here. Yes, I'm waiting. Still waiting, guys. Pure patience. We have time. And again, uh, probably it sounds a little rude or something. Um, if you don't like to wait, this is not your channel, guys. And if you don't want to lose, if you don't want to lose, this is not your channel. For the ones who are asking, my win rate, of course, is not 100%. So if you want to learn, be patient, share a good time, test your knowledge, having signals to a guy in front of you, more than welcome. Next February, it's going to be my anniversary, 6 years in trading, 3 years with this beautiful channel. And well, good moments, bad moments, a lot of situations, a lot of different situations. Time frame is a 15 minutes. So well, finally it's going back. Beautiful. That's great. That's the intention. What we are looking for. A retracement. So well, going back now. Here, game, same process. As every day, here we will wait the confirmation. Let's see. It's in Selson. It was a Selson. Yes, it was a Selson. It was a Selson, but the Selson was here into the 4460. It goes so big, and then retracement now. Now let's see if we got the confirmation here for continue with the uptrend. It depends for the next candles. So let's see. Let's see, guys. Today, so many people um, many people open positions in long, open position in sell, open position in different points. Well, It depends for these, for your own knowledge. How to find the confirmation? The confirmation depends of the candles. The confirmation depends of the candles. That means uh, we need to see something like engulfing candle in green, pin bar reaction, morning star, something like this. Okay. Beautiful. It touched the sun. And now what we need now? Two things. Here, for example, if the price break this 0.5, it would be a confirmation and give us around 4460 as a point of entry. Or if the price go back, that's my favorite, and give us a pin bar reaction, that could be our confirmation. But at this point, it's time to wait. It's pure patience. It's pure patience. If you want to, if you want to clarify the positions, just just wait. Just wait. If you want to sell, I'm seeing some comments there. Just sell. If you want to buy, open your buy entry. For example, Mercy Basico going to the long position. That's okay. That's your money. That's your strategy. That's your idea. Okay, so that's okay. If you want to do it by yourself, it's beautiful. That's great. It's too cold today here in Costa Rica. Now we are starting the dry season, but it's very, really cold. A lot of windy. minus 3 degrees. That's too much for me, my friend. That's too much for me. Here is in 19 at this moment. 19 degrees. And I feel cold. So, well, still there, 8 minutes, waiting these 8 minutes. Jesus, minus 14 is too much. It's too much. I will die there. $3,000 because he didn't put the stop loss. That thing happens, and probably that was the full account, you know? For that reason, the stop loss is our best friend. Um, Something what I understand the last year, my big lection is just sometimes you need to stop. Sometimes you need to stop. Take your time, 2 3 days. For that reason, the people now when they go into my channels, they need to sync a contract. A contract. The contract is if I touch 4 stop loss in a row in a one session, I will stop. I will stop. It's pretty easy. If the people don't like that form, just don't come into my channels. That's all. It's pretty simple. One of the things what I explained there, I would take 2 4 entries per day. If if I experience 3 or 4 stop loss in a row, I will take a day off for resist the market conditions and avoid the future losses. For that reason, today we're not having any Tokyo session because I would take the day for clarify the what is happening there and everything. Take my time. That's all. And the other thing what I add is trading is a risky investment, and you're responsible for your own capital. You understand, and not able to win all the trades. As simple as that. That's the most important three rules what we have at this point. Because many people was crazy, like thinking like I was trusting in you. La, la, la. Yesterday, for example, many crazy people when I lose the position in Tokyo. I said like sorry, but this is what it is. This is what it is. We what from South Africa I have been following since all the what I don't know. I don't understand what is the what. Friend, I have been following since 2024, my friend, Mr. Ducey. Perfect, my friend. Beautiful, and thanks for following me. 2 years with this beautiful channel. Today I received the recognition of YouTube for for today was the exactly birthday of the channel. 2 years now. I start the channel in YouTube. 2 years. Beautiful. In 2 years, we have a beautiful moments. We have awful weeks, awful months, crazy traits in a good way, in a bad way. But but great, great 2 years. Um, Many people for many different parts of the countries. We survived to different situations around the world. The situation with Iran, the situation with Russia, the situation with Ukraine, the situation with Israel, the situation with the now with the Venezuela, the situation with the Pakistan and India. Um, what else? We survived to Donald Trump. Mm, we survived Putin, Netanyahu. Well, many things, many things. We survived the crash to the markets in Japan. What else? In 2 years, I remember when the prices crashed in Japan. It was crazy, really, really crazy. Volatility. Um, well, many things, many things, many things in 2 years. Congratulations, my friend Needy, for your beautiful child. That's great. Noted who have only 34 live viewers years ago. I remember those days was very quiet and really nice, with a few people here. The chat was very nice, very close. Um, the experience was very like personal experience. But well, it's part of the grow up is change. Nowadays, at least around 800, 900 people it's into the channel every day, into the chat. If you do, I don't understand what Guter Beats is wants to say. He wants to take everything, but God will give him none. What time will be live in Tokyo session? I used to do the live in Tokyo session, but no more. Um, no Tokyo session for this week due to the results what we're having in Tokyo session. I was talking about Trump. Yes, Trump is crazy. Trump is crazy. Rana speaking English, speaking English. Now he wants Greenland. Greenland. Yeah, I think it's or what is that island that like like it's so huge and it's near the United States, but there's a massive block of ice. Greenland. And by the sun. Nope. Wait. And again, guys, if you the Oceanid is here. That's beautiful. One of my oldest subscriber. That's weird to having to see here to see her here. I will. I will. Machine. Mo Sinsha. Next Monday we will continue with the streamings just for Discord. Um yes. For New York session. But next Monday. Leticia, uno entrado. Luciana, very good. It's nice to see you here. What is the best position to buy gold? I'm waiting around for 456, around that point. Aún estamos esperando, todavía no ha entrado. Um, but the sellers start losing the pressure, so that's great. So well, let's see. Sebastián, no, estamos empezando aún, todavía no ha entrado nada. Yes, but I work differently because the Discord we will be like the planning, like the planning for the day and everything, and then I will going to be in. But first, I'm going to take some time for the people into the Discord for questions and clarify whatever they need. Why? Because they let's expect the price stay near to the 4460. Tokyo session for these ones will be really great. Yes, probably yes. But the thing with Tokyo session, it's very slow, very very slow, and it's so tired for me in the night. Like stay there, like just waiting and waiting. So mhm. Okay, finally, London is too late for me. London is too late for me. Again, guys, we're not opening any position right now. Okay, be clear of that. Be clear of that. I'm not opening any position right now. Okay, so please understand. I'm not taking any position at this point. Okay, waiting the confirmation. Waiting the confirmation. Can you, my friend, do you understand something what I'm saying right now? I'm not taking any position at this point. For that reason, I changed the line because I'm not taking any position, guys. For some people, it's 2 years of birthday, but 2 years of pure patience, pure patience with the full customer service. Full customer service. You read the comments and say like, breathe, relax, thinking something good, and then back. Try to done into the people, try to stay focused. Well, the proper my friend, go into the proper match, choose the best option what you have. That depends of you, my friend. That's up to you. There is a link into the chat and it's into the description. We will open the long position. Just waiting. Guys, don't set the buy limits into the yellow line because probably the yellow line will change. And not open any position now. Just waiting, okay? Just waiting. I'm waiting, guys. Yes, we're planning the long position, waiting these 4 minutes. As you can see here, said 4 minutes to end the candle. There, I will see. I will take the position. Guys, if you want to open the long position, open the long position. Buy. Buy, open the long position and do whatever you want. Yes, tomorrow coming aligned, but not Tokyo session. I was talking about Tokyo session, Niri. Tokyo session for me, it's today, 9 hours. Comentarios. Punto escenario. Oh, well, guys, remember the Telegram is not for free because the comments what I'm receiving now, the Telegram, it's not for free. It's a lifetime subscription for $169. I was going to be here live with live. Okay, so yes, lifetime subscription, lifetime subscription. Yes, Jesus, I'm not happy at this moment. It's tired to be here and waiting the entry, and I'm happy. So let's see him. Let's wait. Your patience. When he will buy, you can see on the screen exactly. Waiting 10 minutes more. At this moment, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Estoy esperando. Estoy esperando aún. No tenemos confirmación. Si tenemos un engulfing, que es un engulfing que termine, por ejemplo, la candela cerca de 44.60. Ahí podríamos. Guys, again, if you want to open the loan, open your loan position and waiting. And if you don't like to wait, this is not your channel. If you don't like to wait, just get out of this channel. If you don't have the patience, and if you don't like to be patient, just stay away. I'm still waiting, and the people into my Telegram and the Discord knows I'm waiting. And when we wait, we lose. That's part of the. That's part of trading, you know. That's part of trading. Nothing else to nothing to do. Nothing happens. But with wait, most of the time we will have good results. Pretty simple. Okay, it's going back. So, well, sorry for the ones who was saying boom and everything, but well, si pregunta, hablo en español. Alejandro, si pregunta, hablo en español. Esa es la idea, que pregunten en español. Perfecto. ¿No te gustan los americanos? Costa Rica es en América, mi amigo. Operación fondeada, fondeada. I'm still waiting for the entry since London session, but not able to find any. It's difficult. It's part of the patience. It's part of the patience. So, well, sorry for the ones who are opening the position in London. Probably you will have a difficult situation right now. Wait, the sun is not done at this point, but I'm waiting something like a pinball reaction. Okay. Sí, es muy turístico. Todo es turístico, la verdad, menos la capital. Cualquier cosa fuera de la capital es bonito. ¿Das mentoría? Sí, doy mentoría, Alejandro. Si está interesado, igual, puede contactarme en WhatsApp sin problema. Ahí están los precios. Y doy en español. When do we enter, guys? ¿Cuál es mi análisis para decir que es buy? Revise la candela de una hora pasada, ahí va a tener la mitad, la zona de reacción, la está pasando, no hubo reacción, así que simplemente se va a quebrar y probablemente retestiemos el 44-45. Es una zona de volumen. Se va para 44-45, por ahí a la siguiente zona otra vez. Corrección, bastante bien. Ya quedan solo 4 minutos, así que es poco probable de que esta zona quede como eh, en, en compra. Sí, les explico. A todos les explico. Si entiendes inglés, probablemente ahí les digo, donde les digo que no tienen que entrar. A los de español, si no preguntan en español, de ahí lo siento. As a life in Costa Rica for a trader, digital nomad, planning to move somewhere as a trader. Macias, it's beautiful. No taxes here for traders, so that's beautiful. The government don't have any idea how to clarify you when you win money by USDT or cryptos, or you have an external banks. Nothing. They don't have any ideas. It's beautiful. Your Telegram is one pay for lifetime. Kevin Cham, yes, it's for one time. It's for one time. So if you want to be there, it's a lifetime subscription for $169. Jesus. What a day. But it's just a one time payment. It's a lifetime subscription. Lifetime subscription. Bro, signal isn't active. No, exactly. That's what I'm explaining. That's why I'm explaining many times. We are waiting the confirmation. Many people was calling the boom. I'm going to open the loan, but now and everything, creating confusion to the chat. Guys, remember, focus on me. Focus on me. I'm the guy who never is going to disappear. What happened with the people who said like buy now gold? They just disappear into the chat. So for that reason, you can't trust in the people into the chat because they will disappear. Okay, so always be focused on me. That's all. If I lose, I'm going to lose and I'm going to stay here. If I win, I'm going to stay here, and that's all. I'm the only guy who giving you the face, who giving you the buys, giving you the sharing the stream, but not the people into the chat offering signals. They just going to disappear. They just going to disappear. That's all. You need to understand that, guys. That people is here just for trolling and they just disappear, and that's all. As simple as that. As yes, the internet's beautiful. Life costs are, yeah, it's nice. It's really expensive compared with the other countries in Central America, but it's safety than the other countries in Central America. We are so stable. Um, yes, we're very stable. The politics are very stable. We don't have an army. Well, beautiful place. So that's great. Well, I'm going to work 1 hour more. If we don't have something, we go. A profitable trader won't be on a YouTube chat. Exactly. Exactly. If you have a profits, by yourself, or reason to stay here trolling the other people. Most of the people here is looking for some advice, looking for some support. Um, well, that people don't care about nothing and they just share their ideas. Well, that was good. The last to the last Monday and Tuesday, we got a beautiful chat. But well, today it's a mess. La nota legal no, pero todo el mundo fuma. ¿Cómo sabes marcar las zonas en venta? Bueno, es parte de mi estrategia. De las zonas de volumen. Zonas de volumen son. Hay seguridad, sí, es bastante seguro. comparado con el resto de Centroamérica, ¿verdad? Laurito, I don't have time to fucking wait the whole hour. Are we buying or not? Buy, Lionel Messi. Buy, and don't be an asshole. If you don't like it, just get out of my fucking channel. Jesus Christ. With that people. Get out of my fucking channel, motherfuckers. Sorry, guys, but sometimes my patience have a limit, with these people talking like this. And sometimes I really enjoy to insult them. Well, son unos necios carepichan, putas imbéciles, pero bueno, perdón ahí por los insultos. Sorry for the insults, guys. But well, today the chat is playing with my patience. So, well. Mm. So while waiting the next hour, that means 4 candles more. If you don't like to wait, just get out of the channel, unsubscribe, block me, and that's all. As simple as that. As simple as that. You're not welcome here. Pretty simple. Okay. I'm sorry, guys, if for the people who have to listen that, but I'm a guy. And my limit have some patience. And today, it's very frustrating. It's very frustrating. It's very frustrating. But you need to control yourself. But well, part of control yourself is exposure, that type of things. And sorry sorry for the what bad words for the insults. Yes, I'm not a pastor, to stay here like, oh no, I'm not saying bad words in my life. Now, I'm trying to be very polite here. I'm trying to be very polite here. Um, and I'm trying to give the my best customer service what I want, what I can. But that people make me um make me angry angry so hard. So well, now we are waiting, guys. We need to wait around the 4 4 at least. Let's see. Um, yeah, it feels like a therapy. Um, when you just say it, feels like that. That's okay. I say it finally. Finally, I say it. Mhm. Okay. Martina, thanks, dear. Thanks. Thanks and sorry. Thanks and sorry, guys. Again, I both in 4 450. Okay, let's see. Remember, guys, if you take a decision, it's it's your decision, right? It's your decision to continue with that positions and everything. Exactly. Sometimes we don't have nothing to trade, and I think probably today is the day what we are not going to take nothing. Just be patient. Let's see if the price can go back to the 4444 or not. It depends of the market conditions at this point. Well, slow and steady wins the race. Yes, stay there. The price is staying there. Waterfall incoming. That was a waterfall. That was a waterfall. That was a waterfall. Like 68, and now it's 48, 200 pips with no retracement, with nothing. That is a waterfall. Passion is key to success. Yes, I have a lot of passions for trading, a lot of passion to be here in front of you guys. Um, but for this year, I expect a lot of many people say we can together. Every day we're going to see many of trolls in this chat. Well, we need to deal with that. We need to deal with that. If you don't want to deal, if you want to just receive a clear information, um, receive the signals and everything, just go into the Telegram or into the Discord. As simple as that. Do you have any loan trades, holding trades for a big goal for big targets? Being no, just in Bitcoin and holding Bitcoin. That's all. I'm holding Bitcoin. Now it's in a little profit. I start different positions. Um, 88, 87. Now it looks nice, but I expect in a long position just with Bitcoin. So well, beautiful. Still there. I want to hold positions on gold. Well, if you want to hold positions, 42, 43 could be a good point. But the 44 is, I don't recommend 44 or 45, of course not. 44, yes, 40, 42, 40, of course, could be a dream if we go back to 39 or 38. But I don't think the price go back that much. So, well, finally, the price going back. Arriving into the sun. Let me check here. Estamos ahí. Let's wait at least, yeah, for 445. At least. Let's see what happened. Zonas de volumen, Alejandro, zonas de volumen. Así lo pueden encontrar en cualquier video de YouTube. Zonas de volumen. Hope you remember yesterday you have to give the position market can fool. Now market is here on the same position. Yeah, it's on the same position. I'm thinking if this candle give us something, probably we can apply for that. Arielito, claro, compa mío. Compa mío, Arielito Sales. Todo un galán. Un galanazo. Morning stars. And five. Yeah, but that didn't use 5 minutes. I didn't use 5 minutes. Nasdaq. Sí, él tiene el Nasdaq. Él tiene buena estrategia en Nasdaq. Muy buena estrategia. Muy, muy buena estrategia en el Nasdaq. Y el oro, sí, el oro es lo que más le gusta a la gente. Pocos ahí le agarran el gusto al oro. ¿Por qué? Porque es lo más complejito que hay, ¿verdad? Entonces cuesta bastante. Ahorita, what time your place? My place is 12, 12 p.m. I'm from Costa Rica. Sí, de hecho aquí en Costa Rica creo que soy el único que hago streaming en vivo. Hay varios ahí, pero de muchos que crean videos y los dejan ahí, así, pero en vivo creo que solo yo, en YouTube. It's 8 p.m. for me and I stay the whole stream. Perfect, my friend. Stay there. It's early. Let's see if this candle gives us something or not. Looks great. It's very close to the. Just for some pips, it didn't touch our sun. So let's see. It depends over the next 6 minutes. Sí, bueno, ahorita, este año estoy seguro que ya me verá más gente de aquí del país. Pero sí, como yo no hago videitos ni nada de eso, entonces no, ay, no, no hay mucha visualización del país. Por eso el streaming es en inglés. Me encantaría hacerlo en español, pero bueno, ahí si no preguntan, no, no hago. Gracias, más bien, mi amigo. Por estar por aquí, tengo un tico, dos ticos en el canal, por ahí. De ahí en fuera, no hay mucho. El tico prefiere a los ostentosos, tipo Choché Romano, a los multipillonarios como Choché Romano. First, I got profit now and got also my deposit. Uh, my friend, that's the I bought from your. That's the, again, Franco Diff. You need to wait the confirmation, my friend. You need to wait the confirmation. Sí, como Nano, es el tal Nano. Ese sí es un payaso. Ese Nano, con sus famosas rifas, ya después de. Y ahora que usa Derif. Okay, guys, I like this pressure here. So, también es que pagan un curso y que van, sí, es una mierda. Cuando se van solo por eso, es una mierda. El que, o sea, yo lo digo así, el enfoque de ellos de dar clases. A mí me da pereza dar clases, la verdad, a veces. Pero bueno, igual se ofrece el servicio. Eh, pero prefiero dar las señales, simplemente el que me copie bien, se ganó, se perdió, de ahí. Es lo que hay. Si se gana bien y si no, de ahí también. Pero sí, tener un canal de señales para mí es lo que más demuestra, habla por sí solo. Guys, well. ¿Por qué? Porque prácticamente toda la gente te está copiando. Entonces toda la gente te copia, el que de mucha gente va a ganar, o bueno, igual también pueden perder. Entonces okay, guys, so what are they? What are they? Guess no trade today. Well, I promise I will wait the hour complete. So we have 30 minutes more. If we don't have nothing or a good retracement in the next two candles, we are not going to open any trade. Depende mucho del mes, pero por lo general terminamos como con un 70%, 70, a veces 75, a veces menos, a veces 60, 65. Esta semana vamos de culo. Esta semana te vamos Esos son los trades que se han tomado y en Tokio nos ha pasado bastante, pero bueno, en New York se ha dejado bastante bueno el profit, entonces ahí va un poco en positivo. 5 trades, 3 pérdidas, un full take profit y un TP3. Paging is the key, yes, paging is the key. Exactly. There's the 51, the 51 it's there. we got the we got the new candle is there. Let's be ready. We need some retracement. Let's see in 1 hour can see something good. Nope, I don't think it give us the position. Pero bueno, esperando. Today is Christmas for Orthodox. That's great. Happy Christmas for the people for that religion. ¿Sabe quién? Es uno que me cae, bueno, me cae bien, no, me hace reír. Aventino, Dani Aventino. Mae, manda huevo, mae. Tira cada mierda, cada cosa. Como los que usan náutica, manda huevo, mae. Los que usan náutica. I'm ready for the first trade of the year. Just patient, patience, waiting, waiting, waiting. Mm-hmm. So well, no retracement, no nothing there in this candle. So well, at this point, probably we didn't have any opportunity for take any long position, and I'm not going to take any sell side into the sell run. To be honest, no, I'm not going to change the plan. So that was a little difficult. The price grows up so hard, then the retracement, and now not giving us something some opportunities for take the position there. So it depends. It depends. Wait, there's resistance. My back. Leave it for today. No problem. Skip today. Yes, let's wait. I promise to everyone here. I will wait the two candles. Let's see the next candles. If we're going to have something here, but if this one continue like this, that's all. Okay, it's a trap. Beautiful. I read some comments like they opened the trade around 45.50. That was nice. Good. Now we're into the sales and beautiful. Reaction for many go back. No risk, no Ferrari. So guys, that's all by my side. No reason to stay here another minutes here. Uh why? Because well, I was expecting the price go back to 4445 and then give us that reaction, but a little more 4446. Well, 4447 it gives us that reaction. Well, for that case, at least some retracement into this candle, some confirmation, but no, it's try to just 1 minute. It goes back and then it is try to around 70 pips. No trade, no risk exactly. So for that reason, we stay like this. I would love to say like I'm going to take a position into the Tokyo session, but no. I'll be back here tomorrow, and tomorrow I will try to take something in Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and gold. Okay, so well, what a market, you know. I think today is just that was the reaction for the news what we have today. We saw some results. That results was negative for the USD. For that reason, the price grew up. Then a reaction here in 4468 retracement. Beautiful, beautiful. That's great. That's great. So well. So well. Remember, if you want to be part of this beautiful community, into the Discord for learn and understand the strategy, or just the Telegram signals. It's a lifetime subscription for $169 for the signals. Today was a nice day. I would say like it's a nice day with the chat, but no, the chat today was a mess. Zero for the chat today. But well, the ones who understand we are doing trading, and most of the time we need to wait and we need to be patient. Congratulations, we didn't take any position today, but probably tomorrow we will have a better position. Okay, so well, the chat is a mess. Yes, I will always, but today was a little more, you know. Really, your patience make things perfect. Yeah, the thing is try to understand. Again, no one is forcing us to take any position. At least you guys. You don't need to take any position. No one is forcing you to take the positions. The only one who is forcing you to take something, it's me. Today, I really tried to take good points, but well, nothing happened. Nothing happened. So well, Sharp 13 Deer, thanks for being here. Nice to see you here. So, thanks, guys, for your time. Thanks, guys, for your patience. Thanks, guys, for your discipline to don't take any position. For the ones who don't take any positions, the others who take crazy positions, try to learn and understand. Trading is not a game. Respect your accounts, respect your money. That's really, really important. Okay. So if you want more entries or just receive support by Discord or Telegram, contact me by WhatsApp. That's the only way to contact. Okay. See you soon and thanks for the support. See you tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow. I'll be back in Tokyo just for share the point of entry into the Discord. Okay. Hasta mañana los que hablan español. Gracias por hablar hoy más español. Creo que hoy fue el día que más hablé español. Gracias. De verdad, si tienen preguntas, pregunten, es importante. Y lo que ocupen, pues bueno, vamos a estar por aquí. Gracias and thank you. Do you go live on Discord too? Yes, I go live on Discord too. If you want to check the prices, just go there into the link of WhatsApp. Okay. Prefiero español, Leticia, querida, ayúdanos con el español, pregunte en español y yo lo respondo en español y me quedo hablando en español y hagamos que más se vayan metiendo más ahí con el español. So well, Ty, God bless you, good night, nitty. Be patient, guys, and I'll be back tomorrow, okay? At least 2 entries tomorrow.